How to add products to collections in Shopify. So go open your browser. Now go to the Shopify dashboard. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have a collection. So go to products option here on the left panel, proceed to collections, and as you can see, I already have a collection here. But just in case you don't have any collection yet, just click on this create collection right here. Now, once you have a collection, go to all products right here, click on the product that you want to add in your collection. And again, if you don't have any product listed here yet, then just proceed to this add product first. So I'll just choose this product. And once you're here, scroll down. Now, in the right part, you'll find collections, and here you can search for a collection, and your collections will also show here. So select a collection and then click save here on the upper right part, and your product is now added to the collection. So that is how to add products to collections in Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.